Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you for showing me love and supporting me. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. All the names of the products. Next, I'm using a concealer to contour my cheek and my forehead. The nose too. Blending it well so that there will be no harsh line. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set and bake the highlights as well. Set it, all the highlighted area, set with the setting powder. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze the cheek and the forehead. Bronze all the area I contour. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. Next is brows. I'm using David's brow pencil for my brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up the brows, to define the brows more. I'm using that the same concealer as my eyeshadow base for my eyes. Next is eyes. First, I'm using this light pink. You all know I'm not good with colors, names of color. Light red for my crease as my transition color. Light red, it's like that looks like pink, but it's light red. Names of color is my day. Then I'm using this dark red as well for my crease to deepen it a little, to make it a little bit darker. Names of color is not my thing. I'm not good with it. I'm supposed to do that all things. Next, I'm using this purple shade for my lid, for my eyelid, center of my eyelid. Next, I'm using a light purple for the inner lid, inner eyelid. I'm using a light purple. Outer crease red, I'm not feeling it too much. I want to change. I want to add a dark brown to make it darken and deep a little bit, to darken it a little bit. I'm using a dark brown. It's preferable. So the red will be fine, but it wasn't fine, so we still have to change it. Add the dark brown. It's not still dark the way I want it, so I add black. I had to add a little black to the outer crease and blend it to the inner crease. Sorry, no outer crease. Add a little black to the outer and blend it to the inner crease a little to darken it. This black is what I should have used at the beginning. Shouldn't have used that red. Then I'm using a kajal for my waterline. This kajal is from Zaron Cosmetics. They are black kajal for my waterline, and I'm using that purple eyeshadow for my lower lash line. Then I'm lining my eyes with liquid eyeliner. Next is mascara. And I'm wearing my lashes, false lashes. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend the face, to smoothen the face. blend everything together. Next is blush. I'm using a blush palette from Tara Makeup to blush up the cheek. Next is highlighter. I'm using this highlighter from Younger Beauty. It's a Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Kporkish. Sorry guys, I'm using a natural lighting, so the light is going up and down. Next, I'm using a Fix Plus spray to set my makeup. Next, little mascara for the lower lash line. Next is lips. I'm using these two Liplock from Adventure Makeup for my lips. One is a brown shade and one is a nude one. I'm using the brown one to line my lips, then the nude one for my lips from Adventure Makeup. Then I'm adding a clear gloss from Absolute for my lips. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to support me, show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much, I appreciate it. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. Thank you very much. God bless you.